This next song is on that album I was telling you about, Product of the Environment. Pick it up if you're digging this shit. This song is called We Went Through Hell. One more time, can you guys get some fucking hands in the air? Thank you guys, we're Misfire from Chicago, and until next time.